My name is Debbie, and I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. I've been taking online classes through the Rosen School of Hebrew for about a year now. The experience has been truly outstanding. The classes are very well organized, and the materials provided incredibly helpful. Our teacher is excellent and extremely patient, making the learning process enjoyable and effective. I can't believe how far I have come in only 1 year. I'm now able to understand my teacher when she speaks to us in Hebrew during class and can have conversations with my classmates in Hebrew. I can also read and comprehend written dialogues, which has greatly enhanced my language skills. Having recently been bat mitzvahed, I wanted to further my Hebrew education, and this course has exceeded all expectations. I would definitely recommend the Rosen School of Hebrew to anyone looking to learn another language. It's a fantastic program that delivers results.